Okay, in this video we're going to talk about Unit 9, Objective 2, finding velocity. You guys probably already know, but velocity is going to tell us two things. It's going to tell us the speed that we are moving and the direction in which we are moving. So having a negative velocity is going to be okay. That just means we're moving either to the left or down depending on which way we're going. So speed and direction, velocity is allowed to be negative. Now we talked previously that the relationship between position, velocity, and acceleration, velocity is right there in the middle. So there's two ways we can get to velocity. We can say that velocity is going to be the derivative of position, or we can say that velocity is the antiderivative of acceleration. So there's two ways that we can get to velocity. We can either take the derivative of position or we can take the antiderivative of acceleration. We're not going to do an example in this video, but there is one more thing that I want to point out. Sometimes AP will ask you what the speed of an object is. So how we're going to find speed, speed's going to be defined as the absolute value of velocity. So we're no longer allowed to have negative values if we're talking about speed, because we can't be going negative 4 miles an hour. So we're just going to take our velocity and take the absolute value of that. So if we found out that, say, v of 3 was negative 6 meters per second, that just means we're moving 6 meters per second to the left. But if we wanted the speed at 3, be careful not to call it s because that's position, but the speed at t equals 3 would be equal to the absolute value of the velocity at 3, which is the absolute value of negative 6, which would be 6 meters per second. So that's the only thing that's really new for this video. We'll go ahead and call it quits here, and we'll see you in the next one.